So what is it like being a travel YouTuber? I just recently celebrated my 2-year anniversary on this platform, so I figured it's time to pull back the curtain a bit. This video is going to be different compared to my regular travel content. I'll introduce myself to those of you that don't know me yet, I'll talk about my channel and what it's all about, and at the end of the video I have a special announcement to make. It's something that I've been working on for a while now and I am releasing now. So make sure to watch till the end, and with that, let's go ahead and start the tour. So why did I start this channel? To explain this, I'll first take you back a bit. I was born and raised in Germany. Being the son of an American mom and German dad, I already took my first transatlantic flight from Frankfurt to Los Angeles at 10 months old. So I think it's safe to say that I was born with a suitcase in my hand. Travel quickly became my #1 passion. Growing up in Germany, I was able to travel throughout Europe quite extensively, and since I had family in Los Angeles, I also traveled there regularly. Ultimately, I decided to make travel my career, and I've been a part of the travel industry for some 14 plus years now, mainly working for tour operators, designing and operating tours throughout the US, Canada, and Caribbean. Given my travel background, friends and family often ask me for travel advice, and at some point I figured, why not provide travel information online for everyone to see? And that's how this channel came alive. So what is my channel all about? I provide trip tips for different destinations in the United States of America and Europe. My main focus are walking tours, cool experiences and eateries, hotel reviews, as well as some road trips and scenic drives. Most importantly, I always put the destination first. I notice that there are quite some travel creators out there that make it more about themselves, which is totally fine, there's nothing wrong with that, but I decided to go a different direction. Of course, this video is different, but I will continue with my regular travel content as I have, destination first. I uploaded my first 3 videos on May 26, 2022, and while I had that extensive travel background, I was completely new to filming, editing, being on camera, and everything else that comes with content creation. The beginning was definitely intimidating, but I was able to get over those initial fears and just got started. Looking back at some of my older videos, I have to cringe a bit at my delivery and low energy, but ultimately that's all part of the process, and it's nice to see improvements over the years. Essentially, I just try to get better with every video that I work on. Over the past 2 years, I've uploaded around 50 long-form videos and 82 shorts. I really wish it was more, but staying consistent has certainly been one of my biggest struggles, mainly due to the fact that I still work a full-time job, but hopefully I can make this my full-time gig soon. Despite these time constraints, I was able to get to around 222,000 views, over 16,000 watch time hours, and around the same time as my 2-year anniversary on YouTube in May 2024, I also celebrated the major milestone of reaching 1,000 subscribers. That meant that I was able to join the YouTube Partner Program and start earning money through AdSense, meaning that YouTube pays me a percentage of what they make through the ads that are played while you watch my videos. For those of you that are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, it's probably interesting to know how much money I earned in my first month of being monetized. I had no idea what to expect, and it ended up being around $160. Certainly more than I thought it would be. At this point, I want to give a big shout out to each and every one of you that has tuned into my channel over the past couple of years, and a very special thank you to all the 1,000 plus subscribers. I truly appreciate the support, and I promise to continue to deliver valuable trip tips to all you explorers out there. So thank you very much. And please continue to leave such nice comments on my videos. That always makes my day. And also feel free to comment with any questions you may have. I try to get back to all of them. And now it's time for that special announcement that I teased at the beginning of this video. So drum roll please, and here it is. This is my first digital guide that I am releasing. It's a walking tour of downtown Los Angeles, and it correlates with my downtown LA video. So why am I creating these guides? After watching a video, you might want to venture out yourself and go on that tour. With the digital guide, you'll have all the information you need on your phone as you explore the destination. I put a lot of work and details into the guide. It contains a tour overview, description with photos and clickable links for every stop, as well as walking maps and directions to get you from point A to point B. You can download the guide on my website triptipswithchris.com in the shop section for the very low introductory fee of $2.99. Make sure to take advantage of this great deal because prices will go up soon. But wait, there's more! Since you watched all the way to the end, I have a little secret for you. Check the description below and look for a code. If you enter that code, you'll get the guide for free. The code expires on September 15th, so make sure to head over there now and stay tuned for more guides that I will be releasing in the near future. Let me know in the comments below which destination you would like to see next. And with that, I say thank you and Dankeschön!